Hi there, I'm Trevor from Wright. Let me start with a question. How much do you think life insurance costs in Canada? Now, most people guess ridiculously high, like 150 or $200 a month, sometimes even more. But here's the wild part. Most of the families I talk to are shocked when they learn that they're off by hundreds of dollars. And I'm not exaggerating, like hundreds. So today, we're going to break down the biggest myth in the insurance world. Life insurance is too expensive. Because most of the time, it's not. And by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what actually affects your price and how families protect themselves for way less than they expect. Now, why do people think life insurance? Let's start with why people believe life insurance is expensive in the first place. Number one, advertising can be scary. A lot of ads focus on seniors, health issues, or dramatic situations, and people just assume that these prices really apply to everyone. Number two, nobody talks about real numbers. Like, you don't talk into a, you don't walk into a barbecue and hear someone say, "Hey, everyone, guess what my term insurance premium is?" Like, it just doesn't happen. We just don't discuss that. But number three, people assume that they're not healthy enough. Really. I once spoke with a dad in his 30s. He was a soccer coach, super fit, and he said, Trevor, to be honest, am I even insurable? Literally, he was healthier than me. But people tend to imagine the worst case scenario when it comes to insurance. Now, the part everyone wants to know. What does life insurance actually cost? Now, I can't give exact prices here because YouTube doesn't love that and compliance doesn't like it and the regulators don't, but I can tell you this. Most Canadians pay less than their monthly phone bill. For many families, it's closer to the cost of a single takeout dinner. Now, that's a big difference from the $200 people usually imagine, of course, unless you've got 12 people in your family. But for the data-driven viewers, term insurance is designed to be inexpensive because it covers your highest need years. Your mortgage, your kids, your income, all those responsibilities that you have. Now, think of these comparisons. One night of skip the dishes, 2 coffees a week, half the cost of cable TV. Insurance sounds like this big luxury item, but it's actually meant to be accessible. Now, here's the part that surprises people. The longer you wait, the more expensive insurance becomes. Age matters, and it matters a lot. And health matters even more. I've had people message me saying years later, Trevor, I wish I had done this sooner. Not because someone scared them into buying, but because something in their health changed unexpectedly. Something like a new medication, a diagnosis, something that they never saw coming. That's why waiting can cost more, or sometimes close the door on certain options. Now, here's the part where people usually breathe a sigh of relief. You can customize life insurance for any budget. You can personalize it, the coverage amount, the length of the term, the type of the policy, any add-ons or riders that might be required. Think of insurance like building a burrito at Chipotle. You add what you want, and you skip what you don't. Except there's no extra charge for the guacamole. And here's the truth. Most people don't reach out because they think insurance is expensive. But when they see the real numbers, 9 times out of 10 they say, wait, that's it? So if you're curious what life, disability, or critical illness insurance looks like for someone your age, your lifestyle, and your budget, reach out anytime. People just like you message me every week asking for clarity, and I love helping families feel confident and protected. No pressure, just real guidance. You'll find my contact information and links below. And whenever you're ready, I'm here to help. Thank you.